What's up, everybody? My name is Carmen Britt.
And I'm Darius Britt.
And we want to talk to you about money.
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 Money is simply defined as a means of exchange.
Exactly. So let's unpack that a little bit, because when we talk about a means of exchange, what does that mean?
It means that we use money to exchange for anything that we need.
Yeah.
A candle.
Groceries.
Paper.
Paper. Yes, absolutely.
What
else? Earrings, dresses, clothes, houses, cars. We put a value on money, and we exchange money for those goods and services.
Exactly. But here's the thing. When we buy things with money, we don't necessarily do the things with money that we do with the things money buys. Right?
I like that. Mm-hmm.
So when we buy a new car, we don't buy it with the intent on letting it sit for 10 years and then using it.
No, we don't.
No?
Mm-mm.
What about food? We don't buy steak and potatoes and put it in the freezer for 2.5 years and wait to use it.
Nope.
Let's see, what about gas?
Mm-hmm.
We don't buy gas and just let it sit because it would go bad.
Yeah.
So we do things with money. We don't necessarily do with the things money buy. Now, when it comes to money,
Mm-hmm.
we put it in a savings account and we let it sit there and not use it. What about retirement?
Oh, 30 years, easy.
We consistently put money into the system and we don't use it.
Somebody else is, though.
Exactly. So if money is a loaf of bread and a loaf of bread is money, we don't put that loaf of bread in the freezer and not use it, but we'll put a stack of money in a bank or a safe and don't use it.
Yeah. I think that's a huge point that you're making, because if money is a means of exchange, then we have to place the same value on the money and the good. So as you're talking about, like, we don't put a car on a lot and don't drive it for 10 years. We constantly have to keep that car in motion or else it goes bad. Think about that with your money. You're putting it up in different accounts that as consumers we're taught to do, but whose benefit is it for? Is it for us because we're getting some amazing return? No, it's not. It's for the bank owners.
The people that gave us the advice in the first place, right?
Yeah. Funny how that happened. Exactly. So we give our monies to the bank. The bank isn't sitting on that money just waiting for us to come collect it. No, they've taken our money and they've lent it out to somebody at a higher interest rate. And now they're banking on that money.
Well, so if we have credit cards, it means they gave our money back to us?
Basically, with interest.
What about our car loan?
All of it.
What?
Yes. Our mortgages. Every loan that you get from the bank, it's probably just your money coming right back to you at a higher interest rate. How about them apples?
Well, I mean, if that was my business, I would enjoy it, but it's not.
It's genius. We're just on the wrong end of the game. We need to be on the bank's end of things and making money from other people's money, not giving our money for it to be made and us not making any money off of it.
Exactly. Money has to remain in motion.
Yes.
It's currency. What is currency from the Latin word of?
Current.
Current. How about that? So when we look at a current, or first thing I think of is the ocean.
Yeah.
If it stopped moving, it means it's stagnant water and
we in a whole heap of trouble.
we have some problems, right?
Yes.
So when we do the same thing with our money, a lot of times we have some problems, right?
True.
Because not only are we not keeping up with inflation, we are losing our ability to turn that money, right?
Exactly. And taxes.
Oh, taxes.
That's a whole nother deal. But yeah, we wanted to come to you guys today and just have a simple conversation about money.
Yeah.
Because these are things that we weren't necessarily taught that we want to share with you. It's a simple, basic concept. Your money needs to be in motion, just as the goods and services that you purchase with money.
Exactly.
So just food for thought today. Just think about it. Where do you park money? And then also, who is benefiting from that money being parked? Is it you or someone else?
Absolutely. So thank you very much for watching our video. Please subscribe to our page and we'll see you on the next one.
Yes, and follow us on Facebook and Instagram at wealthnation.io. Have a great day.
Have a good one.